Okay, we'll start. Okay, good afternoon. As I told, we'll talk about KCL, KVL. So we'll start with that. Okay, so everybody knows about this. That is your KCL. That is also known as Kirchhoff current law, right? Okay. So this was derived or was successfully uh, popped patent by your one of your German physicist, okay, named as Gustav Kirchhoff, which from his name only it is being named this. Okay, so what is actually this? Okay, this KCL says, okay, so at any node, consider this as node. Okay, it says, okay, at any node of a circuit, more of weather, okay, at any node of a circuit, at very instant of time, okay, very instant, in that particular instant of time, okay, the sum of all currents, okay, sum of all currents into the node is equal to the sum of all the currents out of the node. Okay, if the directions are in this manner, 4 of 3, this is I of t, this is your name this very soon. It's not working. Okay, let's take R1. This is your R2. This is your R. Okay, so it says at any, okay, at any node of a circuit, okay, at any instant of time. That's why we have taken this current is with respect to time. Okay, at very instant of time, all the sum of currents into the node, okay, that is your into the node would be equal to the all the sum of current out, okay, out of the node. Means it's according to this question, okay, or this figure, okay, this your would be your I1 of t, then I4 of t, then plus I5 of t would equals to I2 of t plus I3 of t plus IS of t, right? It is right. Now, so this is the basic definition. Okay, in a elaborated way, you could say. Okay, or else sometimes we also, or we generally say in the this manner. Okay, only in this manner we say. Okay, at any node of a circuit, the current's algebraic sum is equal to 0. We say in that manner. Okay, in a basic language, if anyone asks what is the case, so generally we say that. We generally speak out in this manner: at any node of a circuit, the current's algebraic sum equals to 0. Okay, whereas in the elaborated way, okay, we could say at any node of a circuit at very instant of time, okay, the sum of the currents into the node is equal to the sum of currents out of the node, right? Okay. So this is generally your KCL, which you may also may called as your that is right over here. That is also called as law of conservation, okay, of electric charge. This is already also known as, okay, why this law of conservation of electric type means charge, what is current is the flow of electric charges, right? So same one. Okay, now we'll go in a hurrier manner and we could see now. uh, let's tell me the answer of these. Okay, this is your Okay, this is your 13 ampere, this is your 2 ampere, this is your 2 ohm, this is your 1 ohm. Okay, I'm not giving the direction, best of the direction, because it may be asked. Okay, in general, not in competitive examinations, but in as a normal uh, um, yes, this one, let's say a normal questions on all. Okay, like if you are giving any internal or the other internals, in that may, and that may come these questions. Okay, where it would be asked, find the currents in all branches. Okay, or uh, find the voltage drop at 2 ohm resistance or 1 ohm resistance. Okay, in this manner, or 3 ohm resistance. Okay, this may be the question. Okay, where now the mark point is, okay, the that is to be marked. Okay, it may be that in which the direction, okay, in which the direction of I1, I2, I3 and V, that is a voltage drop across any element, is chosen arbitrarily. Arbitrary means, okay, this is the hint. Okay, it means in any questions, okay, the direction would be not provided to you all. Okay, the direction would be not given. You may, it will come different for different students. The answer would be different. Okay, why so? Because the direction, somebody would be choosing in this direction, somebody would be choosing in this direction. Okay, if it is given a 2 ohm or 1 ohm, so someone would be giving the direction of the voltage drop in this manner or in this manner based on the direction of this currents. Okay, so it depends. It is not defined. Okay, you may choose and you may write. Okay, so this is the question to you. Now, what you all have to find, I will decide in this question the what will be the direction and what will be the polarity of that. Okay, so it will be very easier because we don't have time to verify for each and every. If 2 or more students will get the same answer, it will be very easy. Let's see that I'm giving that direction as it will starting from here. So this will be I1. Okay, I will give this as your I2. We have to find the V across this, and let's take current as I3. Okay, this is the question. What we have to find? We have to find V. Okay, our motto is to find V. Okay, tell me the how we could find this, or else I will not find V. I will write find I1, I2, and I3 value.
सर V 6 वोल्ट आएगा.
Equals to 6 volt. Okay, how so?
सर नोडल एनालिसिस.
Nodal analysis. Now the question is we have to find this with the help of KCL. अब नोडल में नहीं जाते हैं. Moving step by step, it will be easier. Okay, answer is correct, no doubt. Okay, answer is correct, 6 volt, but how? The question is how. How will proceed in this manner? Okay, so we have to go with the help of your this KCL. Now what we'll do is we'll seek about the regions. Okay, this is your reason 1, this is your reason 2, or you could tell I will not point out those reason. Okay, let's consider node 1, node 2. You can consider any of the nodes, okay, as your choices and uh, as you think so. Okay, you could share, or you could I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, because my net was disconnected just now, that's why I was worried. Okay, so tell me, what will be if we focus on node 1, what will be our definition, means what will our equation will get at this particular point?
Sir, 13 ampere equal to 13 minus I1 plus I2 plus I3.
I1 plus I2.
सर सारा माइनस में
See the
I2
direction and tell me.
डायरेक्शन यस सर I2 प्लस में होगा तो
ओके, तो अब बताते हैं, फिर से चलो लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट इज योर 13, राइट? आप कर रहे इन एट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, इट इज द ऑल वी हैव टू कंसीडर इनकमिंग ओनली, राइट? ओके, सो इट इज द 13. फिर यहाँ पे I2 आ रहा है.
13 plus I2 equal to I1 plus I3.
यस सर
13 plus I2 equals to 2.
Equal to I1 plus I3.
सर प्लस 2 भी होगा सर
ठीक है,
प्लस 2 भी सर
हाँ यहाँ लिखा हूँ ना.
सर प्लस 2 इधर होगा सर I2 की तरफ.
नो सर सही है
नो सर ठीक है.
डायरेक्शन देखो, 1 2, ये इधर जा रहा 3, इधर आ रहा 4, इधर आ रहा 5. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 and 2, right? So how it will be at last, what will be coming if we consider at this particular point only? इसको इधर कर लो तो ये हो जाएगा 11 I1, sorry, minus I2 plus I3, right? How you could get the value of I1?
V by R1
Okay, V by I1 है ना, तो V
R1
by 1 R1 हो जाएगा, that is the
1
value
yes
of
sir.
1, right? Perfect. As voltage drop across this, all are in parallel. So क्या होगा, सबका value same आएगा voltage. So you could get and you can substitute these terminology in your this value. मतलब अगर
E-
if we go with your I1, ये हो जाएगा V by 1. अगर इसको जाएंगे I2, okay, so it will be your V by 2. If we go with I3, it will be your V by 3, right? Is it okay? Now tell me, अब इसमें आता है, that is your directions part. Okay, see, हमारा डायरेक्शन में देखो क्या है, there would be as these directions, okay, are in the opposite flow, and this particular part in the another direction. So what we could add this as, it will be acting as minus I2, or you could write this I2 is your minus V by 2. अब इसको मैं यहाँ पे पुट करोगे, सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे दिस वैल्यू, you will get V equals to 6 volt. Okay, whereas you could again substitute this value at this position and you can find. So for this it will be 6, for this it will be minus 3, and for this it will be your 2, right? So this is the answer. Okay, अब एक another question है, इसमें बहुत सारे reasons है, just tell me. Okay, just tell me the answers. I3, I6, I5, I4, I2, okay, I see. Okay,
Sir, please use different color, sir, of pencil. It's
okay. Yellow is not able to visible, right? Network is weak.
yes, sir. Please use some dark color, sir.
Using a black one. Okay, this is your just tell me the equations. How many equations would be formed? I will not provide any voltage or amperes or resistance value. Okay, means how many different equations could be formed with the help of how many regions?
So 5 equations.
Okay, 5 equations, or you could be any more or more lesser than that. Okay, one of you have told that 5 equations. Okay, based on nodes. Okay, you as you have talked about nodes. So this is your 1. One other you have talked about this. So 2. Another you would have about 3. Oh, sorry, this I forgot. This is your 4, right? You have chosen this. So there would be 4 equations, not 5. How you have asked? You have told 5.
No, sir. 4 only, sir. Actually.
Okay, because justify if you are telling 5, will ask the other students also if they ask. I have pointed out your
Sir, I was considering the loop, sir, not the node. That's why I got the 5 equation.
about KCL. Okay, we're not talking about KVL right now. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is your 5. Yeah. So how many equations? As per the node, there should be a 4 equations, right? There would be a 4 equations. Okay, or we could reduce that further. If you want to reduce, can we reduce more further?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
सर फोर्थ नोट की जगह IG plus I6 लिख सकते हैं
At this particular point में हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? ये भी एक नोड है ना?
IG plus I6
See, at
yes
this particular node
Sir,
only.
IG plus I6 equal to I1.
See, what I am asking, this is your 4 equations, right? I am asking that how many equations can it be solved with? Okay, इसको हम लोग कितना इक्वेशन से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अभी 4 नोड मिला है, तो 4 नोड को अगर कंसीडर करेंगे तो हमें 4 इक्वेशंस बनेगा, राइट। 4 इक्वेशन जो अभी तुम लोग बोल रहे हो, लाइक दिस वन, दैट इज योर IG, sorry just a minute, that is your काम करो ना। Nikhil has sold 6 equations. Okay. So IG, and this is your incoming, that is your plus I6 equals to I1. एक इक्वेशन जो अभी दो जन बोल रहा था, राइट। सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या होगा, नोड 1 पे
I1 equal to I3 plus I2.
I3 plus I2, is it now? और एक इक्वेशन क्या बनेगा,
I3 plus I4 plus I5 equal to 0.
या इसका रेटिंग, इसका नाम देना भूल
Not
गया हूँ
true,
तो।
sir.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
इसका नाम देने बिल्कुल, लेट इज IS। तो यहाँ पे एक और ऐड होगा इन I1 equals to I3 plus this one, right? I1
Plus
is
IS.
plus IS, right? Similarly for
Yes,
node
sir.
2, node 2 में कितना होगा,
सर नोट 2 में हो जाएगा सर I3 plus I4 plus I5 plus IS equal to 0.
okay, set up with most times, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, I'm writing with hand only. So it is your IS plus I3, right, plus I4. So in this, every current are incoming only, right?
Yes, sir.
I5 equals to 0, right? This is your third equation. Now, in fourth equation, what will be your I5 plus I6 is equals to I7. That is your fourth equation. But if we see very clearly, we could resolve into another parametric
सर
section.
I5 plus I6 I5 I6 I7 तीनों एक तरफ प्लस होगा सर।
Yes, sir. सब आउट बनेंगे सर।
Equals, just a minute. It's working now. I7 equals to 0. Okay, it is right. No.
सर I6
Yes, sir.
तो नहीं सर
सब आउट गोइंग है ना, देखो इधर भी, इधर भी जा रहा है, इधर भी जा रहा है, और इधर भी
यस
जा
सर
रहा है।
यस सर यस
Now, as we know, we have 4 equations right now. अगर instead of pointing out the node, और उसको अगर हम region में consider करें, okay, if we consider in the particular region, we could resolve that particular equation into 3 equations directly. Okay, how it will be, I could show you directly. Okay, you could merge. Okay, if you reduce, or you could substitute these two values, it will be reduced automatically, but we will be seeing how. Okay, so we'll consider the reasons. What are the reasons we could consider? Okay, see. We'll consider one reason, this one. Okay, or from this can be entire this reason. Okay, and we'll also this particular point यहाँ से add होके इधर आ गया ना।
सर इनकमिंग करंट्स एंड आउटगोइंग करंट्स को सर कैसे ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, मतलब कि सर आउटगोइंग को पॉजिटिव ले रहे हैं और इनकमिंग को नेगेटिव लेंगे ना सर?
हाँ, like see, outgoing मतलब if you are marking with 0 तो incoming currents को हम लोग positive ले रहे हैं, जैसे इसमें है. If we consider this particular point is, so is is in positive, right? इसमें भी I5 is in positive. This is in incoming, it is I4 is positive. This is your I3, it is also incoming, so it is I3 is positive. ठीक है, incoming को positive ले रहे हैं, outgoing को we consider negative. Okay. अब ये अगर तीन रीजन कंसीडर करते हैं हम लोग, ओके, कंसीडर दिस एज रीजन 1, consider this as reason 2, okay, and consider this as reason 3. Now on considering this, we could see or we could analyze, okay, directly we could if the combination is same, okay, the combination is derived from this particular 4 equations only, but you could see, okay, if we go in another way or in another manner, we could reduce one equation directly, okay. So this is your reason 3. So at this particular point, okay, if we collab, okay, if we made this entire segment as a one particular segment, so see what equation we'll get, okay, at reason 3, what equation we'll get, we'll see. We'll get your I2, okay, plus this is your I7, okay, that is incoming again, it will equal to I4, that is your outgoing, and this is your IG, okay, plus IG. Okay, plus IG. This is what
सर अब रीजन वाइज इक्वेशन क्यों निकाल रहे हैं?
just I'm telling कि कैसे reduce हो सकता है directly, okay. इसको
सर
अगर देखो,
ये चार इक्वेशन जो बना उसको भी तो हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं एक सिंगल इक्वेशन में.
yeah, we could convert, okay. That's what I'm telling you, the approach of seeing any equation that will be giving you a lesser solution, okay, easily solutions हमें provide हो सकता है. अगर हम इस वे में जाएंगे, 4 वे में, we'll have 4 and we will make longer time, okay. अगर हम इसको रीजन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, if we solve in this manner, ये क्या होता है ना कि हमें इक्वेशंस कम मिलता है और लेसर टाइम में हम लोग ये कर लेते हैं. Ultimately this is derived from this only, okay, this is nothing new, okay, this is derived from this only, but there is a two way to see the network, okay. इसको दो तरीके से देख सकते हैं. That's why we go on with I gone with this direction, okay, with the flow. जनरली हम लोग कैसे देखते हैं एक सर्किट को हम अगर ऐसे कंज्यूम करके देखेंगे, दिस इज वन नोड, ये हो जाएगा. और ये रीजन जो हम बता रहे हैं एट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, व्हाट इज दिस, ओके, ये सम अप करके एक वन नोड बन सकता है. दिस वुड बी कंसीडर एट वन नोड, वन पर्टिकुलर नोड, ओके. जहाँ पे 4 हो रहा था, इसको अगर हम कंसीडर करेंगे, दिस विल कम अ वन पर्टिकुलर नोड वेयर मोर करंट्स वुड बी देयर. मींस ये दो इक्वेशन जो पहले डिराइव किया था, सब्स्टिट्यूट वाला जो आंसर है वो इजी पड़ जाएगा, ओके. तो इट्स नथिंग न्यू, आई एम जस्ट प्रोवाइडिंग यू द अनदर वे ऑफ सीइंग दिस सर्किट्स, ओके, दैट्स इट, दैट्स नथिंग न्यू. ये भी गलत नहीं है, वी जनरली फॉलो दिस ओनली, बट एक ये भी तरीका है, इसके थ्रू से भी हम लोग देखते हैं. But in a hurry and while solving, means if you have more and more practice, then only we generally go with this methodology, okay, जहाँ पे दिमाग लगाते हैं हम लोग कि कौन सा lesser way में बनेगा. Else we opt in this particular manner only, okay. So बस एक तरीका है जो मैं बता दे रहा हूँ. We'll have 6 minutes. We'll start another, okay, in few minutes. So let's just see out the equation, okay. Now this is your reason 2, okay. So reason 2 में क्या बन जाएगा, क्या क्या equations आ जाएगी, जो पुराना वाला था same. It will come nothing new in this particular point, right, क्योंकि इस point में same ही, all same data would be considered, okay. That is your this was I5 plus I6,
I5 I6 plus I7 equal
सेम रहेगा, राइट. नाउ ये जो एक है, राइट, इस पर्टिकुलर रीजन में, इसको देखो कैसे, विल राइट ओवर हियर. इसको देखो, at this particular point. Okay, at this particular point, what data are remaining will collide that. Okay, ये reason में क्या होगा, हमारा currents कौन सा आ रहा है, that remainings are your this I1, okay, this is not involved in this, so we'll consider this part. I'm writing the equation. On seeing this, just flow up. Okay, that is your I1. Okay, then we have incoming, we have your I4, then income. Okay. These are in the incoming part. Okay, now in this segment is your I5. Okay, and
सर I5 को इनकमिंग हो रहा है ना सर?
I5 is also incoming. You are right. चलो यार, I5, right? This is also incoming at this particular reason. Okay, what is the only point that is your outgoing is your
I2.
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 Is your I2. In this particular reason is हम ये दो terminology को अगर एक मान करके चलेंगे in that particular segment only, right? See, we got 3. इसको solve करोगे और इसको solve करोगे, we'll get in the similar manner. Okay, so we have 2 minutes. Is just join in. You don't have any extra now classes, na?
Yes sir.
You have.
No sir.
Then what is there? You just join in 5 minutes. Okay, it's around 2:49 or 2:50. Join at 2:55. Okay, do not join immediately. Just join in 2:55. Okay, and we'll just have a small break. Okay, we'll take a small break and then we'll go about KCL and all. I mean KVL, and then we'll proceed with another that particular. We don't have a new routine, but one class was meant to take on Tuesday, but on that day I haven't got any notice about new routine, so I haven't taken on that particular day. So I will continue so I could merge or compensate that. Okay, just join in after 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.